We're gonna do a how-to on how to split firewood. Alright, you'll see I have some logs set up here. What you want to do is look them over. You'll see, like right here, I got a little bump in it. Might make it a little harder to split. I always put the hard spot at the very bottom. Look for cracks. Hit that crack best you can. This one, the dry end, is over here. Crack right there. But it's got that nubbin. Nope. Put it on the bottom. This one, well, she looks pretty good. Crack. You want to look for those cracks. Got that spot right there. That spot right here around it. Be a little harder to split. You're gonna want to split it on the side. That spot's on that half. Split it right in half. Come to one like this. You're gonna want to split it over here. Leave that bigger chunk. Take as much off as you can. Get it as close to that as you can get it, because that'll be a hard piece to hit. Won't split right. Come over here and break that off. Get that piece to fit in your stove. Then you come back and split that again. This one looks good. Nice big crack right there, ready for you. Another nice straight one. It's got a couple littler cracks. This one's got one on both sides. And it's cracked in the direction of those. You don't want to hit that crack. It won't go. Come right down here. Split her in half. This one, just like the one on the other end. You want to get it over here. Split her down as close as you can. Come over here. Hit that one. Alright, what we're using today is an 8-pound splitting maul. Got a little bit of an edge. Doesn't need too much of one. Just enough to get in there, help break up the wood. Got some duct tape on here. Had to glue the handle back on it. Guess it's really epoxy, but still glue. Alright, now let's get to splitting some wood. Alright, so that kind of went as planned. That one was a little harder than expected, but we avoided the nub. This one, it's got to have something hiding in there. My suspicion is this spot right here. This one, you never know what you'll find. Big old knot right there. But she went. This one, I didn't take my own advice. Split it right with that hole. Well, got some more work to do on that one. This one went good. This one, that one with the big crack in it, it's a liar. That one went good. That one went super easy. So did that one. Alright, now that we split round one, what you want to do, take them and set them up staggered. That way when you hit them again, they don't knock each other over, and you can just keep on walking down through them. This one over here, the big round knot in it, I just grabbed it and pulled it apart. Let's see how it splits the way I should have split it the first time. I think it'll go alright. See this one? Got the knot right here. I think when I'll flip it over, it's got more clean down here. Hit the clean end, and it'll split up and then break it wherever it breaks in that knot. Alright, the aftermath of round two. I don't see anything in that one, that little one I couldn't get to split the first time. And a little bit right here. Shouldn't really hold it up. Center's a little wobbly. See right there. That one had a little knot hiding in it. Didn't give me no problems though. That one you see me split on the ground. That one went pretty easy. I was right there. Right there's that knot. Split pretty good the other way. That one, barely got it. Just took a little sliver off of it. Oh well, wood to wood. This one with the thing on it. Thought maybe I could get it. Give up something. It did. Give me that. Not too bad. I'll just come back through. Knock that piece off. Help it fit in the stove better. This big one with the big crack in it. They didn't want to split. Well, now we know why. Right there. Thing's huge. The camera doesn't do that thing justice. Right there, maybe. Just held it together a little bit. It went. That was pretty good. Oh, we split that end off. We'll have to do that. But other than that, I think we're done. Alright, we got round 2 set up and ready to go. The only one I really see that I'm worried about is this one. Got a knot on both sides, kind of close together. Got that thing that wraps right around there, both sides. That one might be a tricky one. See if it's got any checking on it. It doesn't even have checking down there. We'll see. That one's got a little bit of a branch on it. Shouldn't be a problem. Down there at the very bottom, off to the side. Ooh, that one's got a spot in it right there. We'll see. Cherry, it should go pretty easy. As long as I hit it in the right spot. That one seems to be pretty straight. Got some more little branches. There's one with a branch in the middle of it. Again, it's cherry. As long as I stay on this side of it, should be alright. And we got those two bad boys over there. See how they like this round. Alright, and that is that. The one I was worried about didn't even have anything on the inside of it. Pretty clean. A little bit right there, but not much. For all of that, figured there'd be a little bit more in there. These ones I had a problem with last time split pretty easy this time. I'm good to go now. Okay, now if you find yourself with a bigger log, you're not going to want to just split it right down the middle. This one, probably start with that little piece right there. Hit it probably right there somewhere. Break it free from that. Then you're going to want to wedge it. A little there, come over here, take some. Then you'll probably come back over here and take that. Just work your way around it. One piece at a time. Just keep working it until she's small enough. You're done. Alrighty, so I started with that one. Got rid of that. And like I said, you just work your way around. Knock that one off. Knock that one off. Then I came over here. Knock that one. Came back over here. Knock that one. Knock that one. Then I came over here. Took that one out. And leave left with the center. Some of these I might have to split again just to get them the right size, but that's how you walk around a log. Alright, I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.